Do you know that there's an invisible element standing between where you are now and where you actually desire to be? Today's conversation, we're going to talk about this invisible element. My name is Leanne Wolf, and you are about to experience how overwhelmed entrepreneurs shift into empowered entrepreneurs by embracing who they are and who they are not, so that they can profit by design, create on purpose, and love their lives. We tear down the industry norms and build businesses from our intrinsic uniqueness. Welcome to the Power of Self podcast. One of my missions since I completed my BG5 career and business consultations is to actually help entrepreneurs in this new shift that we're going through, in this cusp of energy, so that instead of being completely overwhelmed in your businesses, I get to help you be completely empowered by honoring the design, by recognizing all of these invisible elements that go on inside the mind, inside that conditioned mind, and helping you catapult to where you want to be. And one of the things that is so apparent to me and in conversations, and I also did this in my life, is the moment that your feet hit the floor, you're all of a sudden back into this 3D reality, and grabbing the phone, seeing who emailed you, did you sell any courses, what are the kids doing, where's the husband or the spouse or the partner, what's happening there, what time is it, how many clients do you have today, how many clients don't you have today. All of a sudden, all this flood of things start to fly into you as the moment that you put your feet on the floor. And what I hear often is this: when I get on calls with clients, the very first thing is, I'm trying to figure it all out. How do I figure it all out? What do I do? Tell me, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I do this? And I can hear the insecurity of that not self-conditioned mind. And it's running the operating system instead of the actual definition running the operating system. So what I get to do is, like, as a 1-3, my first line mind, I get to spend a lot of time researching. That's who I am. That's why I am here. And I get to bring that research to you. I get to try it out, test it out, and then I get to bring that research to you on this platform, to my clients inside of my work that I do with them. And then what happens is we get to just dissect it, play with it. Does it feel correct? Does it not feel correct? What happens 90% of the time is that my clients are jumping. I was there as well. I was there. So I understand this. They're jumping from one strategy to the next, to the next, to the next. There is, I'm going to tell you this, there is absolutely no strategy out there that is ever going to replace the actual human design mechanics. There isn't one. Okay. So when my clients come to me and they're like, I have to figure it out, it's like, hold on a minute. We go into a real prominent aspect of their life. So with moms, I go to kids. With husbands, I go into their career. With men and women, period, I go into what is the one thing that, if I were to ask you right now, what is the one proudest moment of your reality? And they share that with me. And I'm like, okay. So did you know everything? Did you know everything about, let's just use a mom, for example, about pregnancy or raising children before you have the child? This usually takes my clients to this space where it's like, oh yeah, we as human beings have to have the experience. I do this exact same thing when I'm working with my male clients, because a lot of times, and this is not me doing gender, pulling genders or pulling this apart. This is really what our reality is. And a lot of times the males, it's around their career or their business. And I asked them the exact same thing. Did you know everything about that before you actually started it? No. That invisible element that's happening is our belief system. It's this belief and the conditioning, okay? The conditioning creates the beliefs. So our outside environment and what people say to us, or what we read in a book, or what we read on a billboard, or what we see on a YouTube channel, we then create beliefs. And a lot of times those beliefs are completely negative. I have to figure it out before, so that I don't get rejected, so that I don't make a mistake, so that I'm not punished. And the punishment 90% of the time never comes from the other person. 90% of the time, not 98% of the time, it comes from you beating yourself up inside your mind. So when I work with my clients, we just have a plan for one thing. Let's just do one thing. And as soon as they try it, it's like, oh, how come there was such a barrier there? Well, that barrier, my friend, can turn into a door if you can see it. If you can see what's going on, what are all that languaging patterns, right? Again, we hit the floor, our feet on the floor, and all of this stuff rushes back in. So here's what I like you to do. The moment that you begin to feel overwhelmed, you're overthinking everything. You're like, well, I can't do this. I can't do that. I got to be on TikTok. I got to be on Facebook. I got to create a Facebook group. I got to be on YouTube. I got to do this. I got to have an email list. Now, all of a sudden, all this shit is going on inside your mind, and it's all false. It's all lies. Okay. So for a moment, place your hand on your heart. And if you can, now again, if you're driving, don't, be very aware of what you're doing. And your hand on your chart. Just breathe into that for a moment. Just breathe into that. That's all you have to do, okay? Because what we want to do is we want to regulate the nervous system. If our nervous system is not regulated, if our psoas muscle that's sitting me in this chair, if it's tight, fight, flight, or freeze is happening. Anxiety is taking place. So you want to just relax. Relax wherever you are. And let the frequency of your design permeate through your heart muscle, okay? Through the neurons of the heart, okay? And now what I want you to do is just journal. What do you already know? What do you already know? What do you want to help your clients discover? Okay? So this is what I get to help my clients do in the Purpose-Driven Wealth Formula. This is a whole framework that I walk my clients through. Because what goes on is each time a belief system comes up, we can work with it in a different way. We don't have to battle against it. We don't have to bang our heads against the wall. So if you want to be in that program, now I'm going to be honest with you, it's not a group program right now, and I am getting so much flack from my coaches. It's like, how are you going to scale if you're just doing this one-to-one? It's okay. It's okay. I don't need to be earning $50 million a year. That's not my desire. My desire is to work with you one-on-one and really get you to go deep into the information and move forward with that. So at this point, this program has become a one-to-one process. I did the group. Now I'm bringing it back to the one-on-one, and it might be group in the future. Who knows? But if you want to get in and you want to work with me and you want to go deep into this stuff and you want to make 2022 your biggest year, there is an apply button down below as well. Share my videos if you can, if you love them, if you're getting a lot of value out of them, please share them. I would love to see Ra's work get out there to the world. And I think it's very important to have that source material move forward for others to enjoy. So please like, subscribe. If you truly want to make 2022 a massive switch in your life, let's make this happen. Let's make this happen. Let's work with your belief system in a different way than I'm going to say 80% of the coaches out there are doing it. Let's use your human design to take your business to the next level and get rid of the thought patterns that I have to do it like this, or I have to do it like that, or I should be doing this, or I have to have this. We want to get rid of all of that stuff. And we want to lean deeper into the centered energy that's within you. All right, friends, enjoy your week. And I hope to connect with many of you. All right, thanks.